Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my tutorial again. Sorry about the last recording. I had to help my sister with something, but um, let's go ahead and get into the next part. So first thing to do is make sure you press A to select all of these objects, then press delete to delete those three objects. And now let's have a look at the. Now let's have a look. So in the last video, I didn't want to share. There was loud noises behind me, but I did not want to share the system audio. So let's go ahead and just get into the shortcuts. So the first one, if you want to save, so first thing we're going to look at is the save video file. So if you want to, no, sorry, not save video file. We want to save a video, save the thing as. So to do that, you can either go to File, then Save As, or use the hotkey which is already built in, Shift Control S. Then you can navigate to a folder where you want to save your thing to. Then to save, you either go to File and click Save, or you press Control S. Just cancel. Then let's have a look at one more. So let's have a look at a few more. Um, it, so before we get any further, let's go ahead and now to insert a keyframe, you either go you press I to add a keyframe. Oh, it's all empty. So when you add like a cube and press I, then you can add this like the location, the rotation, the scale, and so on. So let's go ahead and delete this. Now let's go to the compositor. And also, oh no, I forgot one thing. If we tab to go to edit mode, so there's another hotkey. So if you want to go to edit mode, first you add your object, then and then you can either go to this drop down menu and go select one of these objects, and if you press tab or if you press that, you will go to edit mode, like sculpt mode, vertex paint, white paint, texture paint. But if you press tab, it will switch you directly to edit mode, and then it's like a planar mesh. Then to move one of these objects and edit it, it's pretty simple. You just press G and move it like that. Then to enable proportional editing, you press O. Whoops. And to start the playing of the timeline, you just press spacebar, or you press either this go to the left or go to the right, play to the right, play to the left. So now we and or you can press yeah. And to enable proportional editing, it's pretty easy. You just press O to enable proportional editing. Now when you press G, and you see the ring right here. So like, see this? It's like a ring, and you can also like enable definitely. Yeah, just like that. I might just make it back to 0.4. Yeah, like that. Now, before we go any further, now let's switch to the compositor. And as always, we need to check use nodes. Then press N to get rid of the sidebar. Wait, I pressed B. I just press N to get rid of the sidebar. Now, by default, you have a render layer and a composite node like this, and use alpha is enabled. So now, if you want this, so to delete a node, it's pretty simple. You either press delete to get rid of that node. Oh, I'll just undo this. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that, but don't worry, I'll just add a new general. Then I'll just switch to the compositor and enable use nodes, and to get rid of the sidebar. So to delete, you can need to delete a node. You can either press X to delete it, or delete like this. But if you have the node wrangler add-on enabled, just right here, once you have a node selected, you can press Shift S, and you can switch the type to any of these. You can either switch it to a layout. There's a reroute node, a switch node. This oh, so the off is like a bit differently. I'll just undo this, and to undo something, you just press Shift Control A, and then to redo something, you press Shift Control Z. Then let's just undo this node back to render layers. Yeah, to add a viewer node, you just to add a viewer node, it's pretty simple. You can either Shift A, go to output and add in a viewer, and connect the image to the image. But if you have the node regular add-on enabled, once you have the render layers node selected, you can press Control Shift and left click, and there we go. That's a viewer node up here. But if it doesn't show in the background, because and the reason why it's showing in the background, so it's not showing in the background, because you're wondering like, oh my goodness, why is it not showing the background? Please, I want it to show. That's because you do not have backdrop enabled. So let's go ahead and enable backdrop. And right now, by default, you will have this gray and black dot thing. But say for yeah, like that. So let's go ahead and reset this. Okay, there we go. All right, the next now to add a node, it's pretty simple. You just press Shift A and add any of these nodes. Or if you don't have the node wrangler add-on enabled, you can just go to Edit, go to Preferences, go to add, make sure you're in add-ons, go to the search menu, and then type node, and there we go. So see it says node wrangler. Make sure you have this add-on enabled because you just press this checkbox. And then there's also node arrange, node presets, but I don't need this VFX nodes thing. Oh, and it has this error, which I actually don't want, so remove. Okay. So I'm gonna delete this. So right now here, so because now if you have the node wrangler add-on enabled, things would work as it should. So now let's go to the movie clip editor, or we can go to the yeah, movie clip editor. So to open a movie clip, oh, there's no hotkey. Let's look at that. So if you want to load up your movie clip, it's pretty simple. Just go to open and find one. For example, I'm gonna use the man enjoying the waves crashing, and unfortunately he's back. So to set scene frames, press the set scene frames, and this will match the timeline to be the length of your movie clip. To prefetch, you just go to prefetch, or you can use the hotkey, which is P, and that will prefetch the movie clip all the way through. And then to add a tracking marker, it's pretty simple. You can either go to add and then locate where you want to add it, like that, or you can use or you can just control click to add a tracking point or a tracking marker. Then to add a mask, you must press tab to go to the masking mode. Then you have to click new and then add your mask like this. So to do that, just it's very simple. Just press Control and left click, and then you can trace around where you want. And then to parent any mask to the tracking marker, you just go to parenting and just press parent, or you can press Control P and that will parent the mask to the tracking marker. Now, if you don't want them to do it yet, or you're very bad with it, don't worry. Just don't worry. It's not your fault. You can either go to clear and just clear the mask, or you can press Alt P and that will get rid of the parented mask. So now I'll just check where and then also to render anything, it's pretty simple. You just just and then to render anything, just go to render and either render image or render animation, or you can use my hotkeys, which I've used. For you, it's F12, but then Control F12. But unfortunately, it says end and Control end. So for example, if I press F12, which is end, this is like a cube that is rendered, but this is not what we want. So I'll just get rid of that. And guys, also it's raining outside my window. It's very heavy rain. Okay, and then to go to camera view, it's pretty simple. Just press number pad 0 to go to camera view, like that. And then to to go to orthographic, just press number pad 5, and that will switch you to orthographic view. And press number pad 5, just go back to perspective view, like this. Because look at it, it's like a bit different. So let's go back to perspective view. Now to align the camera to the view, it's pretty simple. You can either go to view, align view, align active camera to view, or you can use the shortcut or the hotkey I might call it, or the key mark which is Control Alt number pad 0, like this. Control Alt 0, and like that. Now it positions the camera to the view. So now let's just edit that. Then also to go to front view, it's very simple. Just go number pad 1. To go to top view, press number pad 3. Sorry, number pad 3 is wait. Number pad 3. Oh, number pad 7 to go to top view, like that. Top orthographic. So there's front orthographic. Then if you go to then press number pad 3, it will say right orthographic. Or about number pad 2. That will I don't know where it is, but what about number pad 4? Nothing? What about number pad 5? Number pad 5 is orthographic, sorry. Number pad 6, well, that will switch me over to the next part. Number pad 7 will go to the top view. Number pad 8 will go to, I don't know what that is. What about number pad 9? Oh, it just go like that. And then number pad 0 to go to camera view. Like that. Okay, so my video is already 11 minutes. I don't know if I can end it for you guys. Okay, so to move an object, you press G to move it. To rotate an object, you press R. Then to scale an object, you press S. Then to add a cube, you can either go here, you can either go Shift Spacebar 9, Shift Spacebar, and we can add a cube. Then then it will then locate the floor where you want to add it. First draw a floor, then draw the top of the cube. So now it's like a rectangular prism, like it is. Okay, so I'll just delete this one for now. Okay, so I don't know what to explain next, but I don't know what I've forgotten, but okay, guys, I think I want to end the video for you now. For now, so before I end the video, I got 43 subscribers, which is like less than 50. So if you want to download Blender, all you have to do first is just go subscribe and like my video, and then in the comments, in the description, I've put the download Blender link. So if you want to download that, go ahead and get it downloaded. um, and then when you get it downloaded, just wait for the setup wizard to install it. Yeah, he will install it. Just wait a few minutes, and then after he's installed it, then you'll reveal the app. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. So this is for 6S, and so it's for 6S and a lot of the E6 classes. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I have nothing more to explain, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Sorry, not peace, guys. Sorry, not peace. Okay, see you all in the next one. Bye.